Is your Samsung TV screen half darker than the other side? Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check picture settings. Sometimes it's just the settings. Navigate to Settings, Picture Expert Settings, then adjust the brightness and contrast. If one side is still darker, move on to the next step. Step 2. Perform a picture test. Go to Settings, Support Self-Diagnosis Picture Test. This will help determine if the issue is with the display or the settings. Step 3. Update firmware. An outdated firmware can cause display issues. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet, then go to Settings, Support Software Update and update if there's a new version available. Step 4. Reset that TV. Factory reset can resolve many issues. Go to Settings, Support Self-Diagnosis Reset. Remember, this will revert all settings to default, so note down any custom settings beforehand. Step 5. Check HDMI connections. Loose or faulty HDMI cables can cause display problems. Ensure all cables are securely connected. Try switching the cables or using different HDMI ports. Step 6. Backlight issue. The problem persists. It might be a backlight issue. Shine a flashlight on the dark part of the screen. If you see the image, the backlight might be faulty. This often requires professional repair.